Black Shark Free Pro Gaming Smartphone Global Version. Let's unbox it and review it. We are Xiaomi Global Distributor. We supply with Xiaomi Global Version products include smartphones, and Xiaomi China Version products include Xiaomi China Version Global smartphones. We can deliver Xiaomi Global Version smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. I will put B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We will make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. Okay, let's continue to unboxing Black Shark Free Pro 5G gaming smartphone global version. $12GB RAM, 256GB ROM. It is a 7.1-inch display. Let's turn it on. The first comment is Black Shark logo, Android 10 operating system. (7.1-inch) AMOLED LED display and 19.5 to 9 radio, 485 ppi density, 3120 pixels by 1440 pixels. Always on display, 90 Hz refresh rate. The screen supports HDR10+. And CPU is HONGKONG Snapdragon 865 octa-core, 2.84 GHz, 256GB ROM, 8GB RAM or 12GB RAM, 512GB ROM, 12GB RAM, UFS 3.0. From camera is 20 megapixel f2.2 the picture, and its main camera are triple cameras. 64 megapixel f1.8 picture, 13 megapixel f2.3 picture, and 5 megapixel f2.2 picture with LED flashlight. Let's test its camera. You can see the details. It's super clearly. You can see all Google applications. The 71-inch display, it's good for gaming. And about phone. Here are all the language menus it supports. The battery built-in is 5000 mAh battery built-in and supports 65 fast battery charging. Full battery charged only need 38 minutes. And it supports magnetic charging 80 watt. And it supports fingerprint under the display. Type-C to USB port. And it supports GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, KIPS, and Bluetooth 5.0. Here's magnetic charging port. This is Type-C to USB charging port. And the phone have black color and gray color. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here's the eject pin, sticker, black sock. Here's the menu. And this is the plastic case, very good quality. Europe charger. (66 watt fast battery charging Full battery charge only need 38 minutes. Here's Type-C the USB cable. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can play us the order directly. We will make it global sending.